guys, they're gonna draw Summer Snowman.
Yeah, at the beach. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. For this lesson, we're using our pencil first and then our marker. And you also need some paper. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the shapes of our snowman. We're going to draw 2 sand balls. We're going to draw our snowman made out of sand. So I'm going to draw a first circle here. And then I'm going to draw another circle overlapping that's a little bigger below it. The nice thing about using a pencil first is that you can change these circles if you want to make them bigger or smaller or stack them further away. That looks awesome. And then if you drew a couple lines, you can erase any of the lines you don't want to keep. I'm going to make my first snowball or sandball a little bigger. And then this one, I'm going to make it a little taller. Okay, now I'm going to use my eraser and erase all of the lines that I don't want to keep. Next, let's erase the line going through the top snowball. I'm just going to keep calling it a snowball since it's snowman, but it's made out of sand. Now let's draw a wavy line for the ocean on the beach. We're going to draw it right through our snowman. And then let's also draw a straight line for the horizon right above that one. Well, it's a little diagonal, so I'm going to draw it more horizontal. And then erase the other line. And then we can erase the lines going through our snowman. We're all done with our pencil. Let's put that off to the side and switch to our markers. And let's start by drawing our snowman's sunglasses. I'm going to draw 2 letter U's right here inside of his head. And then we can connect the top. And then let's draw the little nose piece connecting those together. And then we can also draw the part that goes over the ears off to the side. All right, now let's draw his carrot nose. And I'm going to draw the letter V coming down to the left. And then we can draw a curve right here to finish the carrot. And then let's also draw little rocks for his mouth. So I'm going to draw them in the shape of a smile. Okay, now we can trace over the pencil line for his head. I'm going to draw all the way over and connect back at the top. Then let's also draw a scarf, even though it's summertime. Your snowman has to have a scarf, right?
He's gonna be sweating.
Yeah, sweating. This one's not melting because it's made out of sand. So we got our little scarf, and then we can draw the part coming down. And let's also draw another one underneath. So just draw a line coming down and then connect in. Oh, and you still have the waves going through his body. You could erase that line right there. Now we can trace over the body. Just go over the pencil line that we already drew. Then I'm going to add a little line coming out to the side on the left and the right. This is the sand. We could also draw a little wiggly line so it looks like he's stuck in the sand. Oh, and we need arms. Let's draw a little stick coming out. And then we could draw fingers and a stick coming out on this side with fingers. What else should we add?
A palm tree.
Oh, let's do it. I'm going to draw a really tall one. And curving and coming down into the sand. Well, maybe this comes out like this, and then we can have the palm tree stuck in the sand. Then let's draw the other side of our palm tree. I'm going to start close, but get a little further away at the bottom. Then let's draw coconuts. I'm going to draw one right in the middle, and then half of a circle on the left and another one on the right. And then let's draw the palm leaves. I'm going to draw it curving out of the top. And then we'll come back with a straight line, but before we get into the coconut, I'm going to draw a little upside down V and then connect. Let's add another one coming out to the other side. Come in, a little V, oh, maybe 2 V's, and then connect them. I'm going to draw another one going out this way. And then maybe one more little one on this side to finish. Then let's switch to our eraser and we can erase the lines going through our palm tree. Now let's trace over the pencil line for the horizon and the ocean. I'm turning my paper sideways. That helps sometimes to make a straight line. And then we can draw the curves for the waves down here at the bottom. And I'm going to make this sand come down a little further on the left. Ooh, we should add a starfish.
Oh yeah.
Let's draw it right here. I'm going to draw an upside down V. Then we'll draw a sideways letter V the same size on both sides. And then I feel like those are the arms. And then we're going to draw the legs down here. 2 more letter V's. But let's also add a shell. I'm going to draw another upside down letter V. And then a curve to connect the bottom. And then we'll draw a straight line here. And then 2 straight lines connecting back in. Let's draw another shell way over here. I'm going to draw a curve coming this way. And then we'll draw a curve, a smaller curve down here for the bottom. And then right at the end, let's curve in closer so that they're almost touching. And then we're going to draw a sideways letter U, or backwards C. And then right at the end, I'm going to draw those curving in. So it looks more like a C. And then let's draw kind of a raindrop shape at the end. Let's do one more starfish right here. I'm going to draw it smaller. And we'll go a little faster since we're repeating the same steps. Let's leave it just like this, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you could pause the video to match our coloring, or you could color it differently. Now, before we color it, let's use our eraser one more time and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our summer snowmans, and that took us a while because we covered the whole paper. Well, almost all of the paper, but it looks really cool all finished. I also especially like that you added birds, and we also added buttons to our snowman.
I especially like the whole background.
Yeah, it really completes our drawing.
Now I just want to go to the beach.
Me too.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a summer snowman.
And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.